Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game is fully updated and you're online. This unlocks auctions and seasonal shops. Next, go to the auto show and use filters. Manufacturer, name contains Lightning, and year range to isolate the F150 Lightning. Once done, switch to the auction house, create a saved search with a realistic max bid and a buy now threshold. Enable notifications so you don't miss listings. Make sure you have enough credits and Forzathon points ready to act quickly when a match appears. You'll need to execute the middle game. Place strategic bids with small increments and time your last bid inside the final 30 to 60 seconds, then monitor the listing closely. If auctions fail, check seasonal rewards, the Forzathon shop, festival playlist, and wheel spins. Cars rotate frequently. Also use club networks or community discords to request trades or gift transfers. Once you secure a contact, coordinate payment and timing. Make sure to clear unnecessary filters and refresh frequently so you don't miss. When you win or buy the F150 Lightning, claim it immediately, then apply basic upgrades, brakes, tires, and a balance tune to handle the truck's torque. Save the setup and a liveried version so you can revert. If the vehicle never appears, set persistent auction house alerts and check the auto show and seasonal shops daily. If something goes wrong, reset filters, restart the game, and verify DLC ownership. If still blocked, ask a clubmate for a temporary loan while you sort permissions and progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.